everyone, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video with the Golf R. It's been about a week since I've collected this now. I just got a baguette by the way. Yeah, it's been about a week since I've collected it now. Done about 300 miles. But if you guys haven't seen the collection video of this thing yet, I'll leave it as a card up in one of the corners now for you guys to go check out. But today, in today's video, it's going to be a bit of a mix-matchy video really, as I shall explain once I reverse out of here. So yeah, as you've seen by the title and thumbnail of this video, sport manual, I'm going to be trying launch control for the first time, so that's going to be fun. But, hang on a minute. Joining dual carriageways now is so easy, it's just so effortless. But yeah, launch control is happening later. I actually got a few questions and comments on the collection day saying that I was revving it up and not treating it well when it's a brand new car. It's not, it's done 7,537 miles, it just got a turbo now. So it's obviously all run in and it's obviously warm at the time of me filming this. But as well as that, I kind of want to update you guys on a few other things which I've kind of done to the car. No modifications I'd say, but just a little bit just to keep you up to date, which actually I did before the car was revealed. So I'll explain that in a second. And I think what I'm going to do for now is pull over, munch on this, and then I shall catch up with you a little bit after that. Okie dokie, so before we get on to the main event, the launch control, I said in the intro that I need to run through a few things, and that is exactly what I'm going to do now. So the first of them is this little box here. It's a dash cam. Now you guys actually might remember, if you've been a follower for a while, that I got a dash cam fitted in my previous car, the Audi A1. And I've actually had the same one put back in. For those of you who don't know, by the way, a dash cam is basically a camera that points front and back and is recording at all times, just in case someone plows into you and you need to prove that it's not your fault. So basically they're pointless 99% of the time, but the remaining 1% of the time is massive. And if you don't have it, then you could potentially be forking out thousands for damage that someone else caused. Anyway, that's a whole big rant, but if you guys want to see the installation of the dash cam in my previous car, then I'll leave a card up in the top corner now. I didn't really bother doing the same again because it's the same process, and I kind of explained a bit about why you need one in that video too. So that's been fitted. That got done literally the day after I picked it up, so before the car was actually revealed to you guys. So that's in, that's cool, and that's all sorted. Number two is the plates. Now you might be able to actually see my private plate behind the main standard plate. I've gone for cut down ones. They're also 3D gel plates, I think they call them. Fully legal and everything, so that's all funky. But the reason I've covered them back up, so the plates are on the car, but they've been covered up because I need to sort out the documents between my reg 14 LAP. It's on retention, I need to take it off and whatnot. So that's been done as we speak, and hopefully I'll have the private plate 14 lap on it soon. So please do excuse the slightly pikey outline, but that's the thing. And number three is this. Now some of you guys, in fact all of you guys, probably don't know about these. I released these a couple of months ago. I haven't really promoted it or advertised them at all, but they're just little vinyl stickers which are actually on my website. So if you go to HampshirePhoto.com/shop, and you'll see these £6 in either gloss black or white. £6 if you're in the UK, and then £8 including postage if you're anywhere else in the world. So there's a link to those in the description down below if you guys want to get some. You can put them on your phone, on your laptop, on your car. That's exactly what I'm going to do now, so that's the reason for this. So yeah, come over here and we'll put it on. Okay, so I'm not actually entirely sure how this is going to go, because obviously it's going on a pretty tinted window and it's black, but I didn't want to get a white one because I didn't want it to be too obvious. So we'll see how that goes. I've wiped down the surface already. What you do is you basically peel off the white backing. It's a kiss cut sticker, I think that's what they call it. So basically there is no background. You peel all that back. Be careful not to peel off any of the individual sections of the logo, but anyway, you don't need that anymore, so that can go. And then what you do is, this is now the very sticky side, so you basically put this wherever you want, wipe it down, make sure there's no air bubbles, and then once you've done that, you basically peel off this clear layer here, and you're left with the sticker. Actually, that's quite cool. So yeah, there you go. You can go on your car. It's fully high quality vinyl, pretty much what you do when you wrap a car, that's what that is. And it can go anywhere on your phone, on your car, or on your laptop. So yeah, link to those down below. So yeah, I think that's all the boring stuff done and out the way. And now it is time to see how quickly this thing can go from 0 to 60. And we're going to do that by using launch control. I am so excited for this. I've read up exactly how to do it. So let's go and have some good old-fashioned fun. Okay, so those of you who have Golf Rs, either Mark 7 or Mark 7.5, then listen very carefully. Okay, so what you have to do, say if you're in park and everything now, by the way, I've got the G-force meter on there, which I think is really cool. I've got the speedo in big there, so hopefully you'll be able to see it. And what I'm gonna have to do is, in the edit, I'm gonna have to put a timer on the bottom of the screen to show how quick. I know that Volkswagen say it will do 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds, but I do know that various journalists have got it down to 4.2. Now I must add that the floor is damp, and this is filmed on private road. It really is filmed on private road. Do not do this on public roads, because you will get carried away with how fast you're going very quickly. Okay, so you can't have the car in manual, in paddles, because the gearbox changes gear at optimum time. So you have to put it in sport, which is S on here. The car has to be in race, which it is. I don't think it's ever been out of race, to be honest. But and then you also have to press the ESC button once, and it'll say ESC Sport. Then put your left foot hard down on the brake, and then bury your foot on the accelerator, and it will make that lovely noise. And then, oh my good Lord, Jesus Christ. I wasn't ready for that. I was not ready for that. That was quick. I've got tingles in places I didn't know that could tingle. Okay, I'm gonna do it one final time, but it's just literally started raining. So this will be a good test actually. So sport mode, race on, ESC like that. Plant your left foot, plant your right foot, makes that amazing noise. And then, oh my good Lord. What a car! Right, I think this thing needs to cool down now, so I'm just gonna go into eco for the first time ever. But yeah, look at the sky over there. It's gonna absolutely chuck it down in a minute. But yeah, anyway, so, okay, if you're gonna do this to your car, make sure on private road, you're in a safe place, make sure the car is warmed up fully, make sure it's been running. Obviously this thing's just gone over 7,500, so it's more than running. And don't do it too much. I mean, yes, it's got a double clutch system. It won't void the warranty. I know some of you guys are gonna wonder that if you've got them. It will not void the warranty, but it will if something breaks when you do it. So say if you do it 150 times in a day and the engine blows up, they won't pay for it. But by doing it, say once or twice like I've just done now, it will not void the warranty, the fact that you've done it. I need to go take a chill out now because I am blown away. Completely blown away. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I certainly have. That was nuts. I hope that came across on camera. I need to work out how fast it went from 0 to 60. I'll put it on screen now if I haven't already. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.